Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly exciting to share with you. We're delving deep into the world of precious metals in our Augusta Precious Metals review video. In this comprehensive review, we'll leave no stone unturned, giving you all the vital information you need to make informed decisions about Augusta Precious Metals. I'm someone who has not only explored this fascinating realm, but has also achieved significant milestones with their professional team. So, stay tuned because we've got a lot to cover. Let's start with the basics. Augusta Precious Metals is a name that proudly claims the title of the most trusted gold IRA company in the United States. But they don't just stop at being the best in the US. They're at the top of the game in the entire world of precious metals. Augusta Precious Metals has been on the scene since 2012, founded by none other than the visionary CEO, Isaac Nuriani. What sets this company apart is their unwavering commitment to integrity and trust, which runs deep within the very ethos of the company. Isaac Nuriani's vision was not just to create a successful business, but to create a legacy that would redefine the precious metals industry. He understood the importance of trust and integrity when dealing with something as precious as gold and silver. With that commitment as their guiding principle, Augusta Precious Metals has emerged as an undisputed symbol of excellence within the industry. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is Augusta Precious Metals trustworthy? The answer lies in their unique approach to serving customers. They don't believe in a one-size-fits-all strategy. Instead, they take the time to understand each customer's unique financial situation and investment objectives before making any product or service recommendations. You can directly communicate with Augusta Precious Metals through their website or by phone, where you'll gain access to valuable insights into market trends and investment strategies, all courtesy of their seasoned representatives. Augusta Precious Metals is renowned for specializing primarily in gold and silver products. It's important to note, however, that they do not offer other precious metals such as platinum and palladium. While gold and silver are the stars of the show, these lesser-known metals can also prove to be outstanding investments given their rarity and extensive industrial applications. For those of you who prefer not to safeguard your physical metals at home, Augusta Precious Metals extends secure storage solutions. They've established partnerships with secure storage facilities across the nation, ensuring that your valuable metals are held under stringent security measures while remaining easily accessible when needed. One of the things that truly sets Augusta Precious Metals apart is the professional and streamlined experience they offer. They guide you through the entire process with expertise and care, making sure that you never feel pressured or overwhelmed. Whether you're new to the world of precious metal IRAs or looking to enhance your retirement portfolio, Augusta provides a comprehensive approach that's devoid of any high-pressure sales tactics. Step 1, getting started. Let's dive into the steps involved in starting your precious metals journey with Augusta Precious Metals. The first step is to embark on this journey by requesting Augusta's complimentary Gold IRA kit. To get started, you need to use the official link that I've given in the video description below to get fast access. Step 2, consultation. After receiving your Gold IRA kit, you can take the next step by scheduling a web conference via Zoom. This is where the real magic happens. You'll engage in an enlightening consultation with one of Augusta's knowledgeable team members. It's important to note that this consultation is purely educational in nature. Augusta's team will provide insights into the historical performance of gold and silver, as well as an assessment of the current economic landscape. Importantly, Augusta refrains from applying any high-pressure sales tactics or offering financial advice. Instead, they focus on empowering you with knowledge, enabling you to make informed decisions regarding the inclusion of precious metals in your retirement portfolio. This step is about education and exploration, giving you the tools you need to make the right choices for your financial future. Step 3, rollover process. If you decide to proceed with Augusta, they'll guide you through the rollover process from start to finish. Whether you currently hold your IRA with a different custodian like Schwab or are starting from scratch, Augusta's team will assist you with every step of the way. You'll need to provide them with the necessary information, such as your Schwab account details. Augusta will then handle the outreach and logistics required to initiate the rollover. Your funds will be transferred to the new custodian, specially chosen to work with Augusta. This new custodian will oversee your IRA and manage it in accordance with Augusta's standards. Once the rollover is complete and your funds has successfully transferred, you'll be ready to embark on your gold or silver IRA investment journey with Augusta Precious Metals. Step 4. Begin your investment journey. With the rollover process completed, you can confidently start your precious metal investment journey. Augusta Precious Metals will work closely with you to set up your new gold IRA, ensuring that all the necessary elements are in place for a smooth transition. Your newly established IRA will be meticulously managed by the chosen custodian, aligning with Augusta's standards of excellence. Step 5. Ongoing support and monitoring. But the support doesn't stop there. Augusta Precious Metals doesn't just leave you to navigate the world of precious metals on your own. They provide ongoing support and monitoring to help you make the most of your investment. Their team is readily available to answer your questions and provide insights into market trends, ensuring that you stay well informed about the performance of your precious metal assets within your IRA. Step 6. Your freedom to choose. Importantly, Augusta respects your autonomy throughout the entire process. If, after participating in the educational seminar or consulting with their team, you decide that gold and silver IRAs are not the right fit for your financial goals, that's perfectly acceptable. Augusta Precious Metals believes in providing information and options, allowing you to make decisions that are in your best interest. In summary, Augusta Precious Metals offers a professional, educational, and pressure-free experience from start to finish. They equip you with the knowledge and resources needed to make informed decisions about precious metal IRAs. With their support, you can confidently navigate the rollover process and embark on a path to secure your retirement with the enduring value of precious metals. Your financial freedom and peace of mind are their top priorities. Customer satisfaction. Augusta Precious Metals' reputation is a testament to its commitment to providing high-quality products and exceptional customer service to help clients achieve their investment goals. This dedication to customer satisfaction is evident in the numerous positive Augusta Precious Metals reviews they have received. Many reviews praise the company for its knowledgeable representatives, transparent pricing, and fast shipping times. Not only is it endorsed by Joe Montana, but it's also one of the only gold IRA companies with no negative complaints on the BBB. Gold IRA rating by Money Magazine in 2022, a spotless record at the BBB, and a dedication to their customers, it's easy to see why Augusta Precious Metals is one of the most reputable precious metal dealers in the industry. I put the official link for the video description below to get faster access. Thanks for watching this Augusta Precious Metals review. Good luck!